Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we're going to learn how to access values stored inside a dictionary using keys. Dictionaries are great for organizing data using key-value pairs, but to actually use that data, we need to know how to fetch values using the correct key. We'll cover two main techniques using square brackets and using the get function, which is safer. Let's go to PyCharm and get started. First, go to your dictionary directory. Right click on it, choose new, then Python file. Let's name the file dict_access. Now open that file. We're ready to begin. Create a variable called person equals within curly braces. Now define three key value pairs. First, name : Alice. Second, age : 30. Third, city : Mumbai. Now let's print the entire dictionary just to confirm. We type print function within brackets, type person. Run the program and you will see curly brace, name, Alice, age 30, city, Mumbai, close curly brace. Perfect. Let's say we want to get Alice's city. We type create a variable called city_name equals person within square brackets, within quotes, type city. Then print it. Print function within brackets, type city_name. Run the program. The result is Mumbai. Awesome. Python looked at the dictionary, found the key city and gave us the value Mumbai. Let's now try accessing a key that isn't there, like country. We type country equals person within square brackets, within quotes, type country. Now run the program. Oops, Python throws an error, key error : country. That's because the key doesn't exist. Using square brackets is not safe when you are not sure if a key is present. To avoid errors, we can use the get function. Let's rewrite the line like this. Country equals person dot get. Open brackets, within quotes, type country. Now print it. Print function country. Run the program. And the result is none. This means Python didn't crash. It just returned a default value, none. That's much safer than getting an error. We can even provide a custom message when the key is missing. Let's update the code. Country equals person dot get. Open brackets, country, comma, within quotes, type not available. Print it again. Now run the program. The output is not available. Perfect. This is great when building apps where you want to show friendly messages instead of system errors. Let's now work with a real-world dictionary. We type create a variable called student equals within curly braces. Inside it define id : 501. Name : Rahul. Grades : list of numbers 90, 85, 88. Let's now access the student's name and grades. We write student_name equals student within square brackets, name. Student_grades equals student.get, open brackets, grades. Print both values using print function within double quotes, type name is : student_name. Then print function within double quotes, type grades are : student_grades. Run the program. The output will be name is Rahul. Grades are 90, 85, 88. Perfect. This is how dictionaries help you organize and retrieve structured data easily. Let's review what we learned in this lecture. We learned how to access values in a dictionary using keys. Using square brackets works, but throws an error if the key is missing. Using get is safer. And you can even supply a default message if the key is not found. We also worked on a real-world example, accessing student information like name and grades. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.